sent off the largest toy collection in Qatar.
After the exams, it's time to start the holiday and celebrate. There's no better place than Kiddy Zone to get my favorite toys. From the best brands in the world. Barbie, Lego, Hot Wheels, scooters, bikes, and all the trendy toys. Not only that, Kiddy Zone is offering free assembly for all outdoor toys. Today we met our favorite Labubu characters in Kiddy Zone. How awesome! You can also order from their mobile application and website.
Kiddy Zone, your world of toys!